welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we will understand one report related to the fees and charges. This report is important because it provides the consolidated fees and charges information for all the loans. Let's understand this report. We have disbursement and installment. Disbursement means the fees and charges applied at the time of loan disbursement, and installment means the fees charges applied when the loan is running. This will provide the list of ledgers. You can select specific ledger or select all. Voucher date is the date of the fee applied, and created date is the date when the fee is created. So you can create a fee, historical fees. So historical date will be voucher date, and the date when it is created, let's say created today, it will represent the created date. So if I'm selecting from 1st till 28th and give me list of all the charges applied while loan creation, I click refresh, I get 22 records. Now from here, I would like to know, okay, give me list of only document charges. So I'll get the list of document charges here. Okay. I can click on the specific loan. I'm just opening the loan in different window here and search this specific account. So here, if I go to transaction, this is the document charges at the time of disbursement. If I go to fees and charges, there is a late payment interest applied for this, and that is applied on 3rd October. So if I go back here, I want to see late payment interest, then I'll not get anything because it was applied while running the loan, and now I will get this. And if I want to see specific for third, so I will get exactly for that specific loan 1476. That is for this loan 1476. So whatever fees and charges applied here and the charges applied here, that both information will get in one single report. This report is also useful if you want to see if any specific fee not applied in any loan, that also you can find out by downloading this report and downloading ad hoc report to get the loan information, and then reconcile or apply the VLOOKUP in Excel to find if any loan missed to apply certain charges. That reconciliation can be done from here. One important thing, we also added system code here, which is available in ledger, add to favorite, as well as the sequence code. Sequence code is the code which is sourced from the third-party system or from your existing or old system, so that whenever you download any ledger specific data, you can reconcile that. So we have added system code and sequence code both. So in case you want to add certain sequence code for a specific ledger, let's say for late payment interest, because the terminology used in your old system was something like, let's say, late fee, and the code was different. So you can go to ledger, add to favorite, click refresh, and here go to late payment interest, click here and mention the sequence code. You can give sequence code here and click save. So that sequence code will appear here in the sequence code. I just click refresh, and here the sequence code is appeared here. All right. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.